Hi, I'm Kristi Williams, and I work here in Cheyenne at Cherry Creek Mortgage. And my why Cheyenne is the Union Pacific Railroad. My grandparents came here with the railroad, and then my dad and my aunt were raised here and worked at the railroad also. So I was raised here, and I've lived here my whole life. I've raised my kids here. They've gone to the local schools. They've played sports. They've been involved in the community through Scouts, Boys and Girls Club, everything that Cheyenne has to offer. I think one of the main reasons I stay in Cheyenne and I haven't looked at moving out of Cheyenne is what a great giving community this town has. I mean, we all know that we're in this pandemic and have been in it together since the spring of 2020. And we wanted to support, well, the whole town wanted to support the small mom and pop shops. And we all came together and raised a huge amount of money for all those small time businesses, and hopefully have helped them survive through this. And when we get past this, they're going to still thrive with their businesses. So I think just being in a community that is so giving is awesome. The schools, it goes from the schools to the kids, to parents, to grandparents. What an amazing place to raise children. And most of all, we have seasons in all seasons. So that's my why Cheyenne.